I just got to the dump, walking down in here. You can see there's just glass and stuff. These are even the places I just barely touched, and look, there's whole bottles and stuff. There's an Atlas Mason right there, a whole one. But you can see there's lots of glass on the ground. This is a good place to dig. I just haven't really hit that part yet. It's not as good as some of the other places, but I'm gonna try to get a video. I went arrowhead hunting yesterday. Just found a bunch of flint. Found a fossil that was pretty cool, a shell in my sifter. But I'm gonna try to get onto something here and see what we can do. I'll get back on my first find later, folks. All right, here's my first find. I got one of these wines or whiskeys. Yeah, it says Gibson wine on the bottom of it right there, and it's got an embossed like pheasant on it. I have 5 or 6 of these. I like this bottle. They clean up nice. I'm gonna start printing labels out like the originals and putting back on them, and maybe filling them with colored liquid or something. It'll look nice. But this on, see that fork here? I already picked it up. It looks silver to me. It feels like silver. It's not a bad find. You can see there, it's all there. You can see there on the back the silver coming through. It's at least silver plate. It's a real heavy one. It feels like silver to me. I'll get back at it later. Alright, that hole I first started, I wasn't doing no good. I used the shovel and dug down, just couldn't find nothing. So I move around a lot if I'm not finding stuff till I start finding good stuff, and I just found something good. It's a day maker. It's actually a week maker for me. Here it is. I already picked it up. I had to get down there. It says Isley's, ISALY''S, and it's perfect, and it's got a big eye embossed on the bottom. Let's see what. You can see back down in there is where the glass is at, but look what I just raked out of this stuff. It's an old glass stopper. Man, that's a nice one. That is nice. It's like crystal heavy stuff. Look at that. That's like a race car driver or something. It's a plastic piece. It probably fit down in like a metal car or something. He's got goggles on and everything. That's kind of cool. You can see there, that's how it's made. It's set in something. It's all there. I'll take that. Might even be off a well, I don't think it's a motorcycle, but it's something cool. Later. All right, I got another thing just right there where I was talking about. Man, I'm in a hot spot. That's why I move around. This says Kerr self-sealing trademark Mason. See the bottom here real quick. I think it says AHK up there, but that's pretty nice. I don't have many like this. I don't think I have this size. Let me wipe this off. I'm filthy already. I've been up there about an hour. There, that's a little better. I can see through the viewfinder. I'm using the GoPro Hero 4. It's nice for dump digging and stuff like this. It's waterproof and it's real durable. Later. Here's an old brown bottle. I'd say this is a medicine. It says Capudine on it embossed. Here you can see the bottom. I think it's 1955. Later. I've never seen this bottle, not in this dump. Canada Dry water, that's going to clean up nice. And it's like a textured glass bottle. It's all marked up on the back and everything's there. We'll take that. I'm not doing bad now. That milk's awesome. Later. I ain't doing bad up in this spot. Haven't dug up here much. We don't want to start. Look at this big bottle. It's embossed. There's some like a double-headed griffin on it, like that other one the other day. I think that's what it is. It's an Igor. Oh, boys and girls. Look at this bottle. Man. That is awesome. Look at that. To go with that other one, now I got two different ones, and this one even has stuff down the edge. This is nice. Nice for free, that's for sure. Wow, this will look nice in one of my cabinets with that other one. With new caps on it. Wow, I love it. Still like that milk the best. That milk's rare. I found this bottle too. It's kind of got that Chrysler building look to it, that 20s and 30s, early 1900s look. Look at the sides of that. I'll probably take that. It's kind of cool. Later. I'm still up in here raking. There's a whistle. Piece of one anyway. Right here. Got my first marble of the day. It's a pretty nice one. It looks like an acro agate corkscrew. Let me set this down. Wipe it off in my shirt here. Not doing bad today. That milk's rare. And I like that big bottle with like the griffin or the double-headed eagle. Oh yeah, this is an acro. You can see the corkscrew going around it all the way to the other end. Nice old acro marble. I'll put up information on the acro. See why it's called a corkscrew. You turn it, it corkscrews, the swirl corkscrews all the way around up to the other end. That's what that is. It's a nice one. Later. Have to go slow in here. The next rake after I put that acro in my pocket, two more marbles. There's one right there too. Man, look at that one. That's a real old Marble King. Patch and ribbon there on the side. And this looks like a Marble King too. Yeah, it is. See the patch on the side there. But two more marbles right here in the next rake. So that's three in just like seconds. Later. Man, there's old marbles in here everywhere. I'm trying to go through this real slow. There's three right here in sight. There's a beautiful one. It's got all kinds of different colors on it. Oh man, there's like a clear base with white stuff suspended all in it. Man, that's a nice one. And that just looks like a blue and white one. But 3 more just right up in here. I'm gonna have to go slow. I'm filthy again. I'm just wringing wet with sweat. I'm sick clear all through my clothes. I'm muddy. I might go a little bit longer and go out on the river and hunt arrowheads. At least I can get in the water there. It's hot today. Let this on and rake a little bit because it's only been like a minute and a half. And I got all these marbles since the last one. Look at this one. Look at the colors in that. Here's like these are old ones. I'm on it. I'm on them. There must be a whole big jar of them in here that's exploded. Can you believe that this is not damaged? Way down at the bottom of this hole, Devil Dog Western dungarees, authentic Western jeans. And luckily it was made of plastic and sewed on, and the jeans have deteriorated, and this left, and it's got 2 cowboys on it. I'm taking that. I'll put up some information on it if I can find it later. Got another big spoon down in there, and it's probably silver plate. It's an old one. It's going to have designs up here. I might get it cleaned up on this video. I might not. It depends on if I go arrowhead hunting or not. But that's kind of cool. I knew I was going to get a good marble. Look at this. I just raked this one out. I already wiped it off. Man, that's a nice marble. That might be some kind of alley or something. I'm not sure. But that is daggone nice. Oh man, that's nice. That's beautiful. Man, I'm on the stuff in this hole. You just got to move around. Look at all them marbles. That's like 20 minutes worth. These bottles, it's a shame that milk ain't embossed, but I got a lot of stuff now. Later. See it? I thought it was plastic, but it's ceramic, man. This is a good find. I love it. It's just ceramic Santa. Look at this. It's a little glass, double-sided. That is very cool. Man, finding this stuff today, folks. I've got a whole pocket full of marbles. I got marbles there. This one right here, this bullet. Oh, that's nice. That one right there at the tip of my finger. But I got cool bottles. I'm into it. A nice rare milk. Later. I mean, they're just everywhere in here. I'm finding 2 or 3 every 5 minutes. Look at this beautiful blue clear base with white kind of bluish swirls all over it, and they're just all nice condition. That's a pretty one. Later. All right, since the last time I've turned this on, I got this little fruit in it. It's like some kind of little tray. It's all there. Got all these marbles. Look at this clear base one with a patch on it. Look at that. You can see all the way through the other side of the marble. It's got bubbled and it's got color on it. Got this, whoa, got this beautiful 2-color cat eye. It's got white and turquoise in it. There, you can see it now. Got these 2 red ones. They're average. I'm just trying to think if I got anything else. Got this like inkwell, and that's about it. But I've had enough. I got this 7-Up too. I've about had enough. I've dug a lot, you can see, and I dug holes down there. And give you an idea, look at all the bottles up here on the side of this hill. I'm just digging holes into places, and getting onto places like today. Got that beautiful milk. Did all right. Later, folks.